Managing your time effectively is the key to productivity and success. Whether you work from home, run a business, or just want to improve your daily routine, using the right time tracking tools can make a huge difference. Today, we will look at some of the best time tracking tools you should start using right now. First, let's talk about Toggle Track. Toggle is a simple and intuitive tool designed for everyone. It helps you track time spent on different tasks with just one click. You can create projects, assign tasks, and see detailed reports of where your time goes. Toggle also integrates with many popular apps like Trello, Asana, and Slack, making it easier to manage your work. It's perfect for freelancers, teams, and even individuals who want to stay focused. Next is Rescue Time. This tool runs in the background on your computer or mobile device. It automatically tracks the time you spend on websites and applications. Rescue Time gives you detailed insights about your habits, helping you understand which activities take most of your time and where you can improve. It also offers goal setting and alerts to keep you on track. If you want to reduce distractions and boost productivity, Rescue Time is a great choice. Another excellent option is Clockify. Clockify is a free time tracking tool with powerful features. It allows you to track work hours, breaks, and billable time. You can add detailed descriptions for each task and generate reports to analyze your productivity. Clockify works well for teams as it supports multiple users and project management. It also has mobile and desktop apps so you can track time anytime, anywhere. For those who prefer a focus-based approach, Forest is a unique time tracking app. Instead of traditional timers, Forest helps you stay focused by planting virtual trees. When you work without distractions, your tree grows. If you leave the app, the tree dies. This gamified experience motivates you to stay focused and manage your time better. Forest is especially popular among students and people who want to improve their concentration. Finally, consider Timely. Timely uses artificial intelligence to track your work automatically. It records the time you spend on different apps and documents and organizes it into clear timelines. You can easily edit entries and create reports for billing or productivity analysis. Timely is great for professionals who want a hands-off approach to time tracking with accurate results. In summary, using a time tracking tool helps you understand your work habits, stay focused, and improve productivity. Whether you choose Toggle Track for its simplicity, Rescue Time for automatic tracking, Clockify for detailed reporting, Forest for focus, or Timely for AI-powered tracking, each tool offers unique benefits. Start using one of these time tracking tools today and take control of your time. The better you manage your time, the more you achieve. Try them out and see which one fits your style best.